Let's learn what distributive property is. So distributive property is used in math and geometry. It's a concept you really want to understand, and I'm going to make it as simple as I can to help you understand and retain this in your mind. So let's start with an example. So give me 1 second. So I'm going to give you an example just using variables, and then we'll use real numbers after. So A, B plus C is equal. Now, before I do this, I want you to maybe think, how would you solve this? Or how would this work before I teach it to you? You can pause the video. So take your time. Okay, so this is how the distributive property works. So we have A here. You essentially multiply A times B, and then you do A times C. So that would give you A, B plus A, C. So that's what the distributive property is. You can see we're distributing A across the parentheses, B plus C. Now, let me give you an example with some numbers. So let's say 2, 4 plus 2. And so try solving this yourself, and you can give a final answer at the end. So go ahead. Okay, so let's do this together. So again, remember, we distribute 2 here, and then we distribute 2 again over here. So that would be 2 times 4 plus 2 times 2. Now this would be 8 plus 4, which would give us 12. So this is using addition. We can also do the same thing with subtraction. So let me give you an example. Let's say 4, 5 minus 2. Now this could be a bit confusing because some people may think the minus might be a negative, but just ignore this minus and do the same thing. Distribute 4 here, and then distribute 4 to just 2. So that would give us 4 times 5 minus 4 times 2. And that would give us 20 minus 8, which would give us 12. Okay, so I hope this was clear. This is something you want to remember how to do. You're going to use it as we go on. If this was helpful, if this helped you understand the distributive property, please like the video, please subscribe, and leave any comments, okay?